Hey.
I just bought the Dell computer. Or it's HP. So it's 128 gigabyte AMD Ryzen 3. It's not bad. They have like a Ryzen 7 or something.
Okay, try not to cut the computer.
I'm pretty sure it opens everything. So
it's a knife or scissors.
I got this for a YouTube channel to make better videos and for gaming. This is a gaming laptop. I'm gonna install a 500 gigabyte SSD card or stick in it, and I bought a 16 gigabyte RAM stick to put in it. Just gotta download Windows 10 on a USB drive so I can put it back into it. There's a charger in here. It's not a USB-C because it's not really that powerful.
Here's the computer. It's a Mac or HP?
HP.
I like how it comes.
It's fluffy. So I know how to install all the SD stuff, SSD card, stick, and the RAM. I'm gonna install myself. Looks exactly like it did on the video.
For no long means are gonna be cool.
Oh, it has the static thing, whatever this is called. Rating graphics. It has rating graphics. That's so good. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Okay, power button. Look at this speaker. Like, that's a nice big speaker. It's a nice screen. Look at this screen. AMD Ryzen 3 and thin and light design. This shit. It's not the lightest thing. It's just more heavy in this like back area. So just a moment. I'm gonna plug it in. Get these scissors out there.
Okay, how's it starting? I always have to read it.
I'm gonna plug this in.
It's probably dead. It says just a moment.
I literally bought this 2 days ago.
It's on a white screen.
Windows 11 started. United States. Oh, Windows?
Can I show it?
Yes. It don't matter. You can blur it anytime. Wait, put 0.5. So US keyboard. Okay, try to move it so you can see more of the computer too. So you want to add a second? No. Let's connect you to it and hide that. Well, you don't have to hide it, just show it, because I'll blur it out anyways, guys. Wait, white?
Yeah.
5G, you can wait. So this one is pretty fast, that 5G. The Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi 5. I'm pretty sure I can hide this. Yeah, Wi-Fi now. Okay, I'm not sure. Hopefully.
I'm about to fall.
So guys, it's 128 gigabytes of storage. I'm installing a 500 gigabyte
The mouse pad's already
SSD
doing
in it. So we have
Why'd
more
you get
storage.
white or gray? You should've got like some black or red.
I can
Not
always change
red.
that, you know.
What?
This is just a cheap one of the phone.
How much did it cost?
$249, and I bought a 2-year warranty for $69. So,
Can I put on the side stuff?
okay, let's plug in the computer just in case. I don't want it dying on setup. Okay, where it is? Oh wait, we got HDMI
Is it? Why is
It
it?
has a USB-C, but it's not a Thunderbolt, so it can't charge. It's just for transferring data.
Why did
Got
you
a
shake it
headphone
again?
jack. And we got an SD slot over here.
What is that?
SD slot for. Okay, next. I also got a 4K camera drone. A drone with 4K quality on the camera. Excuse me.
Look at the camera.
The camera. Looks like there's 2 mics.
Yeah. Keep your PC
Oh, it has a
on,
fan
so
right
it's-
here. I didn't even see that. It's like a, I think it's an air intake. There's
I
an
can
air
just
intake on
barely
the
see that.
bottom. See, that's an air intake. Huh? I think it has a fan. Yeah, the fan's right here. So it does have a fan. So it has pretty good airflow in it. So this has the AMD Ryzen 3 inside of it, and it has AMD Radeon graphics, which are pretty good graphics for gaming. Okay, I'm gonna have to set it up and like log in and stuff, create an account, cause.
Why don't you shake it? We doing this.
Starting up. So this was 330 something altogether.
There we go.
Okay. Where is it? No one reads the agreements. Okay, I'm gonna create one. So you can like not show this because I don't want to be email. Just talk to
Okay.
just record like.
Okay, don't.
I'm gonna do.
I'll just show them the box. Oh shit. That's a shipping address. I just
You
showed.
really just showed that? Oh my gosh.
I didn't mean to. I thought it was like the how it worked and stuff. I didn't know.
Oh wait, that's home button right there. I don't. What
Did you have to put any agreements on this? Like a warranty or anything?
So I'm. Wait.
Did you forget your Gmail?
They use Outlook, right? So Outlook. Outlook. I'm just gonna use an Outlook, I guess.
Okay, I'm trying not to show the keys that much. Look how big that is.
I swear I already have it.
It's an SD slide.
I'm gonna do it on this one. Okay. Copy that down my notes again.
Password cannot see.
I got like 10 different
good to show it?
passwords. Name.
Yeah, this is like all the stuff.
Yeah, if you want to see that, it's like United States.
Oh, that's just a ton of stuff. You think you guys can look at that?
This
Look
has
at all
like
the-
nice graphics. Like.
Am I good to show everything?
So add security info. I'm gonna add a phone number. You cover your password and everything. No, I'm just gonna add a phone number for that. For account recovery, I'm just gonna
How
add
big
my
is
phone
this? Came in a
I'm
big
pretty
old
sure.
box.
Just wait. But I'm pretty sure after. Yeah. Wait. No. Hey,
I'm not
You can
showing
show it. You can show it. Create a pin. Okay. Put this down. Please.
Is it gonna be this old pen we use?
No, I got it.
You better save this in your phone.
I know some things.
Something. You should buy your merch.
The merch site don't work. I'm not even lying. I tried buying some like.
I made
a year
new
ago.
merch too.
Okay, you can show it if you want. Oh wait, location, yes.
Okay, it doesn't
Find my device, definitely.
Yeah. Oh, thumbprint? Where you gonna put the
Advertising, I
thumbprint
don't
at?
like wait, thumbprint.
Yeah, is it like on the
Wait, what do you mean?
thumbprint right there?
It just shows that they'd be shown it, I guess.
Some computers I think have a thumbprint. I don't
There's
know.
like one like right here.
Yeah, like right on the edge.
The iMac. I was gonna get an
Oh, you
iMac,
don't have that.
but
You know how there's like a little mouse pad thing right there? Gaming.
Personalized ads. I'll just do gaming and
YouTube stuff. Business.
entertainment, I guess. Personalized ads are going too far.
It's not that good lighting right here.
Microsoft and OneDrive. I'm pretty sure that came with the computer when I got it. OneDrive. Okay, I'll blur that out, guys.
So I can show it good.
Just don't keep showing it and not showing it, because then I'll have to blur it out every time you show it.
Okay, am I good?
Just wait. Yeah, you can show it. It's checking for updates.
Is this touchscreen?
Just a moment. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's not. It doesn't say
It feels like touch. Yeah, it is touchscreen.
It's a big screen, to be honest. To be 14 inch.
Getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC. This is a computer.
It's a personal computer. That's what that means.
I know. It's HP. It looks like a mirror.
Yeah, I know. It's airplane
What are you
mode.
doing?
I don't like this. This is one thing I don't like. The backspace is right next to the home button.
Yeah, I don't like it. There's a brightness up button and stuff. Wait, can they scan this?
Yeah, so don't. You can definitely scan it.
Let's take a picture and print it.
Well, it actually shows the specifications of this computer
Oh.
on it, but don't show it. Just
I might have showed like 2
Because-
times, probably 3, I don't know.
the video will take a lot.
Can't
of
believe I
editing.
showed the freaking shipping address.
I want to see the back a little bit.
Oh, I like how it looks.
Sounds awesome.
Don't
That's
drop
what you get
this.
with a $300 computer, though.
I wonder what a 2000 would be like.
2000 is like nothing. Windows 11
yeah,
and
we're
dark
in.
mode. I love dark mode.
It was the same. I don't like light mode.
Okay, what do
Oh, it shows the weather?
TikTok?
Does it? That's what the new
I'm
computer
gonna
showed.
go install. Let's see how fast it is.
Dang.
Okay, that was fast. And there's an email address right there.
The window's kind of ruined, like, so they can see. Can I feel it?
No. You can stop recording for a while.
So I'm brave. When they corner, I can stay about that dope